Okay, if your tach ever like surges up and down, and the engine's nice and level, even, your problem is you've hit a hard wave, and on the back of the tachometer there is a switch or a knob that goes between 4-cylinder, 8-cylinder, and 6-cylinder. And if you take that and turn it to one of the other positions and bring it back, it'll usually fix a seeking tach. Because what's happened, see the way it's moving, be it the engine RPMs aren't moving, what's happened is I've hit a hard wave and jarred that switch a little bit loose. But these tachs, it's the same tach, it depends upon whether you're on a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, or 8-cylinder, because a 4-cylinder gets doubled in the calibration.